If you want to start investing in Canada and grow your money tax-free, setting up a TFSA is one of the smartest first steps you can take. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up a TFSA in Wealthsimple, step by step. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to sign up using your email and verify your identity. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once you're inside the app, look for the option that says Open or Move Account. Tap on that, then select Open a New Account. From here, you will see a list of different account types. Go ahead and select TFSA, which stands for Tax-Free Savings Account. Now you will go through a short setup process. Wealthsimple will ask you a few questions about your investing goals, your experience level, and your risk tolerance. Just answer these honestly. This helps the platform set things up in a way that fits you, especially if you choose the managed option. Next, you will choose how you want to invest. You will usually see two main options. One is a managed portfolio, where Wealthsimple invests for you. The other is a self-directed account, where you pick your own stocks or ETFs. If you are a beginner, the managed option is simpler. If you want full control, go with the self-directed TFSA. After that, confirm your account details and agree to the terms. Once that is done, your TFSA will be created. At this point, your TFSA is fully set up. If you're not sure how to deposit money, withdraw funds, or transfer between accounts, I already have step-by-step videos on my channel that walk you through each of those. I will link them in the description below so you can follow along easily. One important thing to keep in mind is your TFSA contribution limit. If you go over your limit, you can get a penalty, so it is worth checking how much room you have before adding money. Also remember, even though it is called a savings account, a TFSA is really an investing account. Your money can go up or down depending on what you invest in. And that is it. You now have a fully set up TFSA in Wealthsimple, and you are ready to go. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides.